in a while. So with the new iOS update, people would want to change the apps and make it into their own aesthetic home screen layout. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. So we're going to search up shortcuts. Now for that we press add action, scripting, open app, and then for example we're going to choose camera, and then you're going to press the three dots, add to home screen, name the app whatever you want, and then here you're going to choose a photo or you're going to take a photo. So if you've screenshotted any layout for that app, you're going to insert it there, then you're going to press add, done, next, save it as well as what you've called it, done. Alright, now we're going to get out and it's going to be right here. Of course, and then you can just rearrange it. And then so people want to do the widgets. So there is an app, it's called Widgetsmith. Alright, so I've already made some widgets. So for example, we want to add medium widget, and then you can edit it from there. How you add it is you go to here, or keep that there, add from Widgetsmith, and you can add which one you want. That's how you do that. Now another thing I wanted to show is how to use the accessibility 3 taps and 2 taps to open up a phone. An app. So what you would like to do is again go to shortcuts, and we're gonna add an add action, search up open app, press that, choose, let's say that we want to open up Instagram with the 3 taps, press next, Instagram, done. And that is that. Then we're going to go to accessibility. We're going to go to touch, back tap. Now triple tap, we're gonna press triple tap if you haven't added anything to the double tap. Now I've got my previous shortcuts here. The one that we saved is Instagram one. I'm gonna press that. Then we go out, we tap the 3 times at the back, and it opens up Instagram. Now, that's all that to open up an app with the 3 taps and all the double. I don't think you can do it for the double tap, but yep, these are some ways that you can use the Shortcuts app to design your own home screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to add, to comment and subscribe.